Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all items that you can get from the limited Halloween merchant in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The admin has just released this Halloween merchant, and these are the items that you can get from this merchant or this shop, and you need to be hurry guys. It will leave after 24 hours. It's very limited. And the items are so crazy. They are so amazing guys. You will get spider fine and then monster flower, fright work, vampire fang, spectre, and this is so OP. Luckily I have already built this pet, and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet on the next video. And then you can get the lich statue and skull fence, cemetery fence, and yeah, I have already built all these items. Okay, and make sure that you won't miss this Halloween merchant because it's pretty limited. Join the Grow Garden game now to get all these limited items. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.